Welcome to Budget Friendly. Let's get started.
Hello all. In today's video we're going to see Apollo pulse oximeter. As these are COVID days, I thought of doing review and unboxing of this pulse oximeter will help to everyone. And I bought this product for around 1500 rupees. Right now it was around 1750. I purchased this from the Apollo website. So I'll provide the link below in this video, and it comes with a branded of 1-year warranty. Let's quickly start our video. Most of you all know pulse oximeter is majorly to measure two things, oxygen level and the pulse rate. So as you see here, it was highlighted in yellow. SpO2 is the oxygen percentage and pulse rate is the rate of our pulse, and remaining two are nothing but it is going to represent in waveform and pulse bar. So within short time you're going to know how it's going to show these things. LED display, and it has 4 display modes. Display modes are nothing but it will change the orientation of the display. So let's quickly open this. As you see, we have directly the pulse oximeter, and they had provided one thread for us. The pulse oximeter, and they have given 2 batteries. We have one manual. As you see, these are all the things we get in the pulse oximeter from Apollo branding. So I'll quickly place these batteries, and so I just place the batteries inside the pulse oximeter. Let's close this. Let's power on this. So as you see, we just power on, and I can say it's going to power off automatically within no time. I can say around 5 to 8 seconds. So this is the power button. So let's power on this and test how it's going to work. So it's getting on. As you see, this is SpO2 and PRBPM percentage, and as you know, they had mentioned within no time, if the finger is not kept inside this pulse oximeter, it's going to auto switch off. So I'm keeping my finger, middle finger, right hand middle finger. So if you see, it's going to read the data, and they had mentioned the 4 modes, right? For mode change, we need to click on this. Don't get panic while starting, as I'm moving the pulse oximeter, and the pulse oximeter has to be placed at least 1 minute. So the reading has to be checked after 1 minute. So the reading got increased. And you can see it is a color display, and by clicking the power buttons, the mode will be changed. So these are the 4 modes which we can get from this Apollo pulse oximeter, and it is adjustable to the right hand middle finger, and after keeping finger inside this, you need to wait for 1 minute for the accurate read, and you can keep walking for 3 minutes after placing this. It may vary the SpO2 number so that we can check whether how our oxygen levels in our body. I hope this video helps to everyone, and I am using this pulse oximeter since 20 days, and I have purchased this from Apollo website. I'll leave the link in the description. If anyone wants, they can go through the link and can purchase. Thank you one and all. Have a great day.